Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on the two plants or the two trees, the fruit trees that I think I accidentally unalived. It's actually been very depressing since I spoke to you last. I've been watering them every day, and I want to show you. Come on, let's go. Um, I so this is the cherry tree, and as you can see, look. Well, it's still dry and I don't see any sign of life. I don't know what to do. I'm actually really depressed about this. And this one is my all-time favorite, and it's actually very, very special to me. It's a hybrid. It's a one of a kind. A hybrid with a guava and a something else. I don't even know. Anyway, this one is, I don't know. This one's the same. Like, look, it's all dry. There's no leaves coming. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if am I wasting my time? I mean, I did spend a lot of money with the manure and everything. I don't know. I'm not sure. I guess I'm just sad. I don't know. They are very special to me, both of them, and I just wanted them in my backyard. You know, originally I had planted them in my mother's backyard, but then, you know, when I got the house, I just kind of wanted to make them mine, and the soil here is really, really good. So I don't know. Anyway, let me know if you have any comments or suggestions in the comments, and I would really appreciate it. And I know this sounds really bizarre. It's not so bizarre, but maybe if you could send some healing energy, some anything for the two plants, that would be great. I don't know. I kind of believe in the whole energy thing. Whatever you can, maybe a prayer, if you're religious, whatever. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like that does help. Maybe even just a request. Thank you. I appreciate you guys, and I'll keep you posted. Bye.